Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to update your Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings. Here you will see the option Windows Update. Click on it. Now update available to download. If you see this option and this yellow mark, so it's a mean you have to update your Windows 11 to latest version. So very simple guys, just click on download and install all. Now wait for few minutes to complete this downloading. Here you will see Windows 11. It's inside the preview and this is the update version. So wait, and once you complete, close and restart. Hopefully guys, this is the simple and basic video to learn how to update Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.